The woman was dressed blank black with O-N. Well, we say dressed in black, not with black. It means she's wearing something black. And we can also say she was in black, the same meaning. I failed blank maths last year. At, in, from. Listen guys, fail and succeed, they both take in. So the answer is in. I failed in maths. And we can also say succeed in maths, succeed in your work, and so on. My phone is similar blank yours to with O. Similar. Similar means it looks like the two phones look like each other, or they're close to each other. Anyways, I hear lots of students say similar with, which is incorrect. It's similar to. My phone is similar to yours. Can I blank this shirt? Try out, try on. Try out means to try something, test something, use it for the first time. You try out a new game, for example, and you can drop the out. You can just say try a new game. Try on means to wear something for the first time, just to try it. So we only use try on with clothes. You try on new shoes, you try on a new shirt, and so on. Here we have this shirt, clothes, so try on. Blank, the car is going to hit you. Look for, look out. Look for means search for. I'm looking for my keys means I'm searching for my keys. Look out means be careful. Here you are, and there's a car rushing towards you, so that guy shouts, look out, which means be careful. Here he says, the car is going to hit you, so look out is the correct answer here. He doesn't blank with his uncle. Get up, get to, get on. Get up means to wake up in the morning. Get to a place means to go to this place or arrive at this place. Get on with someone means you like this person. There is a good relationship between you and this person. Here we have with and his uncle, who's a person, so he doesn't get on with his uncle. My car blank on my way home. Broke up, broke down. Break up means end a relationship. So this is you and you're in love with this guy, but you broke up, means you end this relationship. Break down means to stop working. So this car broke down, means stopped working. Here I have my car, which stopped working, so my car broke down. This is the correct answer. I, my younger sister, when my mom is not home. Look for, look after, look at. Look for means search for something. Look after means to take care of someone. Look at means to see. Here, what should I do with my younger sister when my mom is not home? Of course, I should take care of her. Means protect her or keep her safe, right? So look after is the correct answer. I look after my sister when my mom is not home. Can you blank me up from the airport? Make, take, pick. The keyword here is up. And when it comes with pick, it becomes pick up. What does it mean, guys, when you say pick me up from the airport? Like you're here at the airport and your friend is here at home, then he comes all the way to pick you up and come back home. So pick up means collect someone from place. Clear, guys? Okay, you should up to your teacher. Look, see. Look at this, up to someone here. We use look here. Look up to your teacher. What does it mean? It means respect your teacher or admire your teacher. So guys, look up to your teachers, okay? It takes me 30 minutes to blank to work. Get, reach, arrive. Get to a place means to reach this place, means arrive at this place. They all have the same meaning. But get needs to, arrive needs at, reach doesn't need a preposition. In this sentence here, I have to, and to comes with get. So get to work means to reach work, means arrive at work. Did you write my phone number down, up, out? When write comes with down, like when you say write down something, it means you record notes or phone numbers so that you don't forget them. So people usually write down important notes and numbers.